Hi, my name is Scott Reiter with Horsepower Motorworks, and what we're working on today is a 47 Cadillac four-door sedan that the customer wants the engine, transmission, brakes all rebuilt, gone through, and lights and everything, basically driving inspectable car. We're leaving the patina on it as is, and he's just excited. He's owned it for several years and has finally gotten to the point where he could actually do it. Right now we disassembled a lot of the parts on the engine, and probably later this afternoon we'll hook it up to our engine hoist and pull the engine, and we'll send it out to be rebuilt. We're going to remove the transmission and send that out to be rebuilt. And brakes, I've got to go online and try and find brakes parts for this car. And hopefully in probably a month or so we'll have the stuff back and we'll get her running. No, not really. It's just it's a pretty, even though it looks rough, it's actually a fairly solid car underneath, and it's all original, and the motor is actually seized from just sitting in a barn all its life for a long time. But Cadillacs were great cars. They were very powerful, drove very nicely, so we don't need to do any performance work to it or anything. They usually stop well. They were a very well-made car back in its day. It's a flathead V8. I'm not sure of the cubic inch actually. It was one of their own motors. It wasn't shared with other GM products. It was a Cadillac only motor, and again, fairly powerful, smooth. Parts are fairly easily to get. It's time for it to wake it up.